Hi, to use camera pro mode on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we need to open our camera app. Now let me just use this plant as an object, and here we need to scroll on this tab left to go in more, and after that choose this pro mode. So now we got some features. Let's start with the left side with ISO. So if you don't know what each feature means, you can tap this info icon and check some information about each particular feature. So here we can manually drag the slider and just change ISO depending on lighting conditions, and we can also tap on manually and automatically select ISO for our picture. We can adjust shutter speed here, so we can set it even up to 10, and of course if we set it up to 10, this is great for shooting on the move or in low light conditions. And you can tap here on this manual button and switch to auto, and after that we can adjust exposure compensation. So this is the only parameter here which we can adjust manually. So you can swipe left and you can see that the picture turns on brighter, and we can swipe right and make it darker like that. And of course we can adjust focus, so we can set either automatic focus, and we can switch to manual and manually adjust the slider, and as you can see it is now highlighted green, meaning that this particular area would be in a focus now. So when you see this pin, everything would be out of focus, and focus is really on the back part of the picture. So let's switch to auto and tap any free space on the screen. And the last feature here is white balance. So basically swipe left or right to set the right setting depending on your lighting conditions. And of course you can tap here and switch to automatic option. And additionally we can tap this icon in the upper right corner, and here we can adjust contrast first, so you can make your picture more contrast like that. We can adjust the highlights, the same goes for shadows, and we can add some saturation or reduce saturation, and also add some tints such as pink or green like that. And yep, after that, when you are ready to take a photo, you just need to press the camera shutter button and the photo will be taken just in a second. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.